Yes, I am wearing oversized t-shirt, so excuse me. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you some truth about split ends. If you are visiting to my channel for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and after subscribing, turn on the bell icon to get notified with my future videos. One of the most common hair problem I can say is split end also. So what is a split end? A tip of your hair that has a split due to dryness or some ill treatment. And there are three types of split ends. The number one is the basic split end. Number two, the candle or the knot split. And the number three is the tree split. Now I am going to explain it in a brief. These are probably the most common types, example of early split development. In these cases, cortical cells are still largely held together, but large sections are beginning to separate. If you have these split ends, then your strands need more nourishment. The candle is an example of significant loss of the outer cuticle with no split, and curly hair types have the knot split problem where the curls has tangled and has caused its own knot. It will typically cause the hair to break at that spot from brushing. The tree shows an example where more damage has occurred to one side of the hair fiber than the other, and as a result several branches of cortical cells are beginning to separate. Improper detangling or excessive blow drying can cause split ends. There are many more reasons for causing split ends, and the environmental breakage is caused by environmental factors which damage our hair. For good example, dryness is caused by hot summer sun. If you have split ends on your hair, then it makes your hair rough and dry, and also it makes your hair look dull as well as dusty at the end. I have been watching some videos on split ends, and they claim that use this hair mask and you'll get rid of your split ends and all. So the bottom line is that if you have split ends, you have to cut those split ends, like you have to trim your hair. No hair mask can join the two split hair, so you have to chop them off, and after that you can take care of your hair so that your hair can't get split ends. So this is the main thing I wanna say, because I have seen so many videos in which they claim that use this hair mask and you will get rid of your split ends. So after chopping that part of your hair, and use that hair mask, and then that will prevent your hair to get split ends. But once you get split ends on your hair, you have to cut them off. I have done one video in which I have shown you 10 tips and tricks to avoid split ends. So keep in mind tips and tricks to avoid split ends. So I will put the card over here. That's very purana video. Then too I will put the card over here as well as link in the description box below. But I am going to give you a small brief of that video, that what you can do. Don't use harsh shampoo, use mild shampoo, do condition your hair, don't use blow dryer or heating tools if your hairs are really dry, and pat dry your hair with a cotton towel. And there are many more, like there are 10 tips and tricks, so go and watch that video. And I am doing those things and I never ever get split ends on my hair. So yeah, do try these methods, it's very effective. So yeah, that's it for the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if you really like this video, and also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And till then, bye and keep growing your hair.